Welcome to Tech Goods. The best olive oils in 2026, carefully selected for flavor, quality, purity, and value. Whether you are cooking, dressing salads, or improving your healthy lifestyle, these top picks offer something for everyone. Stay with us to discover premium choices that can elevate your kitchen experience. Check out all product details and links in the description. Number 5. Amazon Fresh Italian Extra Virgin Olive Oil. First cold pressed, 16.9 fluid ounces, is a versatile and reliable choice for everyday cooking and finishing dishes. Made from carefully selected olives and produced using a first cold pressed method, this olive oil preserves natural flavor and aroma while maintaining a balanced and smooth texture. The oil delivers light yet noticeable notes of fresh herbs with a gentle, peppery finish that enhances both simple and complex recipes. One of the strongest advantages of this olive oil is its flexibility in the kitchen. It works well for sautéing, grilling, roasting, and even high-temperature frying, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking styles. It also performs beautifully as a finishing oil. A light drizzle over salads, pasta, vegetables, or bread adds depth without overpowering the natural flavors of the food. The consistency is smooth and clean, which makes it ideal for dressings and marinades. The ingredient list is straightforward, containing only pure olive oil, which appeals to those who prefer simple and minimally processed products. Proper storage is recommended to maintain freshness, including keeping the bottle tightly closed and away from heat and direct sunlight. The packaging is practical and easy to handle, making daily use convenient. Safety labeling follows United States standards, so consumers should always read the product packaging for the most accurate and updated information. Overall, Amazon Fresh Italian Extra Virgin Olive Oil offers dependable quality, pleasant flavor, and excellent versatility, making it a solid option for home cooks seeking an affordable and dependable kitchen essential. Number 4. Graza Sizzle Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a modern and thoughtfully designed cooking oil created for everyday kitchen performance. Produced from single-origin olives grown in Spain, this high polyphenol extra virgin olive oil is made from peak harvest olives, which helps preserve freshness, flavor, and nutritional qualities. The result is a vibrant oil that delivers both taste and functionality for a wide range of cooking methods. One of the standout features of this product is its convenient squeeze bottle design. Unlike traditional glass bottles, the squeeze format allows precise control when pouring, making it easier to measure or drizzle oil directly into pans or onto food. This design reduces waste and improves ease of use, especially during fast-paced cooking. The oil performs exceptionally well for roasting, searing, pan frying, baking, poaching, and marinating, making it a versatile staple for home cooks and food enthusiasts. Flavor-wise, Graza Sizzle offers a balanced profile with grassy notes and a mild, peppery finish that enhances dishes without overwhelming them. It complements vegetables, meats, and grains, while maintaining stability under higher cooking temperatures. The ingredient list is simple, containing only pure olive oil, which appeals to those seeking clean and uncomplicated ingredients. Proper storage is recommended to maintain quality, including keeping the bottle tightly sealed and away from heat and direct sunlight. While allergen information is not provided, users should always review packaging details before use. Overall, Graza Sizzle Extra Virgin Olive Oil combines quality sourcing, practical packaging, and reliable cooking performance, making it an excellent option for everyday culinary use. Number 3. 365 by Whole Foods Market Extra Virgin Mediterranean Olive Oil, 33.8 fluid ounces, is a dependable and versatile kitchen staple designed for everyday cooking and meal preparation. Made from carefully selected olives sourced from the Mediterranean region, this extra virgin olive oil delivers a balanced flavor that works well across a wide variety of dishes. Its smooth texture and mild aroma make it suitable for both cooking and finishing applications. The flavor profile is clean and approachable, featuring subtle fruity notes with a gentle peppery touch that enhances food without overpowering it. This makes the oil ideal for salad dressings, sautéing vegetables, roasting meats, and drizzling over pasta or fresh bread. It blends easily into marinades and sauces, adding richness while maintaining the natural taste of ingredients. Because of its balanced character, it appeals to both experienced cooks and those new to using olive oil regularly. The ingredient list is simple and straightforward, containing only olive oil, which supports a clean and uncomplicated cooking experience. The large 33.8 fluid ounce bottle provides good value for households that use olive oil frequently. Proper storage is important to maintain freshness, and the product should be kept in a cool, dry place and not refrigerated, as refrigeration may affect texture and usability. As with many food products, consumers are encouraged to review the product packaging for the most accurate and updated information. Overall, 365 by Whole Foods Market Extra Virgin Mediterranean Olive Oil offers consistent quality, versatile performance, and reliable flavor, making it an excellent choice for daily cooking and kitchen use. Number 2. Pompeian Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil, first cold-pressed, 101 fluid ounces, is a generous family-sized option designed for everyday cooking and consistent kitchen performance. Crafted by Pompeian's experienced olive farmers and oil craftsmen, this extra virgin olive oil is made using a first cold-pressed process that helps preserve natural flavor, aroma, and beneficial compounds such as polyphenols. The result is a high-quality oil that balances taste and practicality for regular use. As its name suggests, this olive oil offers a smooth and mild flavor profile. It delivers subtle fruity notes with very low bitterness, making it ideal for those who prefer a gentler taste compared to more robust olive oils. This balanced character allows it to blend seamlessly into recipes without overpowering ingredients. It works especially well for sautéing and stir-frying, where a clean and consistent cooking oil is essential. Vegetables, poultry, seafood, and grains all benefit from its light yet satisfying flavor. The ingredient list is simple, containing only olive oil, which supports a straightforward and natural cooking experience. The large 101 fluid ounce container provides excellent value for households that cook frequently, or for anyone preparing meals in larger quantities. Despite the size, the oil maintains reliable quality when stored properly in a cool place away from direct heat and light. Consumers should always review product packaging for the most accurate and updated information before use. Overall, Pompeian Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil stands out for its mild flavor, dependable performance, and economical size, making it a practical and trustworthy choice for everyday cooking needs. Number 1. Atlas 1 liter cold press extra virgin olive oil from Morocco is a premium quality olive oil crafted with careful attention to purity, origin, and flavor. Produced from a single family farm, this organic extra virgin olive oil is cold pressed using freshly harvested olives, helping preserve its natural nutrients, aroma, and rich taste. The focus on single origin production ensures consistency and traceability, which appeals to consumers who value authenticity and craftsmanship. One of the most notable qualities of this olive oil is its high polyphenol content, which contributes to both flavor complexity and freshness. The oil delivers a well-balanced profile with delicate fruity notes, mild bitterness, and a pleasant peppery finish that reflects its freshly harvested character. Its smooth texture makes it suitable for a wide range of culinary uses, including baking, sautéing, salad dressings, and finishing dishes. It enhances ingredients rather than overpowering them, allowing natural flavors to shine. Trusted by award-winning chefs, this olive oil performs equally well in professional kitchens and home cooking environments. The ingredient list is simple and clean, consisting only of polyphenol-rich organic extra virgin olive oil, which supports a natural and minimally processed cooking experience. Proper storage in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and heat helps maintain its freshness and quality over time. Consumers should always read product packaging for the most accurate and updated information before use. Overall, Atlas Cold Press Extra Virgin Olive Oil stands out for its single farm origin, organic production, and refined flavor profile, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a high-quality and authentic olive oil experience. Thank you for watching our guide to the best olive oils in 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect option for cooking, dipping, and enhancing your favorite meals. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful reviews and recommendations. Let us know your favorite olive oil in the comments, and we will see you in the next video.